When it comes to potato salad, there are about as many different ways to make it as there are stars in the sky. And although I've shared a bunch of really tasty ones with you over the years, I'd like to introduce you to one that's been getting a lot of rave reviews. We begin by cooking some red skin potatoes that we've cut into chunks. Once they're tender, we drain them really well. While they'll sit for a sec, we mix together some chopped onion with a bit of olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and some rice wine vinegar. And if you're not familiar with rice wine vinegar, it adds a sweetish, tangy touch that makes any dish really stand out. Now we add the warm potatoes and give it a good mix. You want to make sure the potatoes are warm so all the flavor soaks in. We'll pop it in the fridge, and when it's chilled, we'll finish it off with a little mayo, a couple of chopped hard-boiled eggs, and a bit of cilantro. There you have it, a basic potato salad that tastes anything but basic. So if you're the one in charge of bringing the deli salad to the next shindig, I suggest you hop online and get the recipe for our secret ingredient potato salad. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a change of pace kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. That's nice.